Chanel, come here, babe.
Yeah, Daddy.
See, there she is, having a good time. Daddy and daughter time. Apana mo muna apana apa. Kunze kwa daddy
The problem
and daughter
is
time.
the only thing that happened was gone wrong in the suitcase is the cream melted.
Yeah, fix that up, baby. Fix that up. Anyway, stay tuned because Snapchat channel is about to get lit, boy. Lit, boy. So, you know, you need time off, man. Time off the bullshit, man, you know. Mutombo spend a time them don't want to go bonding time, you know. You know, more opinions doing well, you get carried away in the zoos like a wonder. Snangana basa. You know, and then you forget the people that are more important to you in your life. She's got the swimmers going on, eh?
Last year my dad got this for me from Cairns.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, that's weird because she's happy, she's smiling. If she's happy, then I'm happy, you know. Couldn't imagine, but they don't even, you know. But that's not when I go. My daughter having a good time in Cairns. So stay tuned. My Snapchat is about to get lit, boy. Snapchat's about to get lit, boy. Chanel, say hi.
No.
Pedal, baby.
Bye.
Pedal, baby. Can I offer, please, Miss Sanchemi? How do you pedal in a little kayak? Mumpura. Can I offer Miss Sanchemi? It's my choice, man. And Chanel is pedaling. You know, 2 horsepower engine, you know what I'm trying to say? Half Zimbabwean, half Chinese, 2 horsepower engine. Bowling. But I'm on the fatty sap. That's a sugar island. I got to find out to 15 minutes with the sugar, but sugar in 50 minutes. That's our kayak right there. Didn't take an actual sense, I was pedaling. So I'm tired. So I told her 50 minutes instead of 15 minutes. It looks like I need to get my fitness together, Mdara. But I'm on I'll tell you, don't go, babe, we're almost there. Motivation, Dara, we're not gonna give up. So we made it. Because now we're like my shells. You need now for a bottle of corona, you know. Have a corona and then pedal back. You want to get a foot easier. Like I'm gonna have a papa, good to find out to get a foot easier. So now, come here. There she is. You know, beautiful island in Cairns, tropical. Gonna peace out, no. So you should be here. Be here. But any good day, sport canal. I was saying go to my balance. Easy.
Look at these shells. They're huge. They're like huge. But this one's a medium size, I think.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Go hard, baby. Go hard. Have fun. No my shows, banana. Turn off like a maka give back on and things on my shoes. Yo, business is a request, Jaman. But I can't remember to funga mari on a sick no way chilling. Trying to kick back, you know. Have a good old time. I said, you Jaman. Infinity pool is it. So what you got on the Ugo go my island you? But we had to pedal to this island here, but I got Sigabana. Taudos wenda marungu ona tadakusa flake redo Zimbabwe kugoradza tashika. Waisia papedu saka vana mazimba adauya kuno we can apply for visas ndokupaye mumboya kuno kutanga kwedu watinotu kwedu to invade au fanike ma invade rati kaitwa waisia. It's gorgeous. But if I go upgrade or boat kedu next time I got pindo shamaronga do pindo mneka sini ka ngo gungwane shake wakutodona face wangu. You know? I'm there. But yeah, this is it. It's beautiful. You know? Tropical north. Get back to Tindawari. Tarambo Wanamoto. This is where we are. This is where we're staying. Shansha.
We stay here?
We made it back, baby. That's all got to our pay. Yeah, and that's in another 10 years. So this is the man that made it possible. Where are we, bro? Cairns, eh? It's a video, small video. Tell him a little bit about this whole, you know.
Cairns.
Yep.
Cairns, beautiful location, lovely beaches,
Yep.
rainforest, reef, great place to be.
Yes. And if you're not doing any kayaking tours, come see this man right here.
Cove Water Sports.
That's it. Done deal. And this is where we're staying. These beautiful apartments. Go cross the road so what mfura.
Look at them. I've got the keys.
Tuzekera futere.
The keys are the best.
Cross the road. What Mvura. Beautiful strip, man, you know. Check out Chai and Dara. This is gorgeous. A bit pricey, but worth it. Right, Chihera?
Yes, Daddy. And don't forget, we're having sausages.
Sausages? Okay. I didn't know we were having sausages. Tasiana Neji Ocean now, pool, apartment pools. Looks nice. I like the waterfall thing, you know. Niggas nigga stay at home, bichana. But I end up boarding for a munch. Chanel is still going. Shasha. There's no doubt she's going out to swim. But I was going to swim a man. There's no like it's a static. There you go, Shasha. Come here. She's having a good